bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Morning guys, happy Saturday. So, Ascension has been doing some great videos lately. Most of it's in Tagalog, but she is Filipino, guys. She's really coming on with it. She's putting music in the background, she's doing all the editing herself. I showed her initially, but she's doing the rest herself. I think she's doing a really good job, so well done, babe. Give us some comments, guys, put some comments in, a little bit of encouragement, because she's normally a shy person, and for her to start doing this for the last 2 years and start to make her own videos and talk and learn this, it's really amazing what she's doing. Anyway, quick one from me. I replaced the turbo again on my truck yesterday. It's made a bit of a difference. It's better, but I think I need another remap and a bigger intercooler just to give it that bit more power. What I want to show you guys today is a bit of an update, because as you know, we're buying land in the Philippines. We're speaking with an architect in the Philippines, and I've done the initial design of the house we wanted, and I just want to show you what I'm working on with the architect at the moment, a basic layout, so you've got an idea what we are building. I want to share this with you all, and the dream will become a reality. But we're going over to the Philippines in December, and we're going to go and take a look at the land properly to get a better idea for ourselves. We're going to meet the architect in person, and we're going to visit the family for a month. So anyway, let me just show you what we're doing. I'll open these up for you, I'll put them on the screen. So, these are the houses, pictures. This is the house. It's 15 square meters on the base, and there's quite a lot of glass in this at the moment, but this is just the architect's idea. You've got a balcony up there, that's for the guest bedroom. Far too many windows there, so we're sorting that out. Below that balcony, that's just one wall with some windows in it, that's the dirty kitchen. And then over to the left you can see the tall windows for the stairwell going up. To the left of that is the master bedroom, that's our bedroom. And below that is Mum's room, the guest bedroom, with bathroom at the end of that. The small windows on the end, on the brown and grey there, little bathroom windows. This is the other side of the house, and what you'll see here is the dirty kitchen on the left, with the seating area. That's going to change. We're going to put a bigger island in the middle of the kitchen there, with the cooker in it. And over to the right here you can see there's a pool house, so a pump house on the left, a bathroom on the right, and a waterfall that goes down into a swimming pool. Well, that swimming pool's more like a bloody fish pond at the moment, the way he's drawn it. So what we're going to do there is bring these steps on the right, we're going to bring them out and make the pool longer, and then we're going to bring the building there with the little brown door in it, the bathroom, and that over to the right. We're going to bring that out a couple of metres and make the pool wider, so it's going to be probably about another half its size again. Just behind the pillars here in the back you can see the windows to the right of the stairs. That's Mum's room. That could be a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in wardrobe. There'll be a sliding door in there, so she doesn't have to go up and down them stairs to get into the main house all the time. And just to the left of the stairs that you're going up, you'll see a little black door there. Well, that's a pantry for the outside dirty kitchen. Upstairs, the big window and the smallish one with the white surround, that's the dining room and the living room, and they'll open out on some big sliding doors onto the balcony that you can see on the right hand side. You can just, at the top of the picture, you can just see some slim windows. They're the kitchen windows upstairs. Right, let's have another view. So this is the end on, or the left hand side of the house. You can see the balcony, and that balcony, oh shit, I'm lying to you guys, I'm lying to you. That's the guest bedroom balcony, again with some windows. That's only about 1.5 meters wide, that balcony, but that's the end elevation. Again, this is a view from the pump house and the bathroom, looking at the fish pond, as I like to call it at the moment. You can see the waterfall there on the right hand side, just pouring water down, filtering. And we'll have some plants behind the waterfall as well, growing up that grey slate wall. It's going to look really nice, that, guys. Don't like the tiles though. We're going to have a big Union Jack in the bottom of the pool, or half Union Jack, half Filipino flag. That's going to be the tile that we're going to have. You can see up there though the kitchen windows. That's those 4 slim ones on the with the brown cladding behind them. That's the kitchen windows. Again, they're a bit high at the moment. I want to lower them down, so you've got like a worktop inside, then the windows, then the cupboards above the windows. So they'll be quite low and wide, those windows there. This is the other view. Now, this view here is a spiral staircase. That's the fire escape, but that also leads up to another balcony, which you can access by sliding doors from the master's bedroom or the living room. Now, on the right, on the top there, on the right, that's the master bedroom. Too much glass in there again. We're gonna mess about with them windows, get rid of some of them. And you can see the little 2 windows at the top with the grey background. That's the bathroom toilet for the master bedroom. And then down below that, 2 little windows again. That's the bathroom toilet windows for Mum's room. And again, too many windows for her room as well. So we need to reduce that. Then that's pretty much the front view of the house. The stairs on the right, the small stairs at the bottom on the base, they all come more towards the left. So it could be like an L shape of stairs, and that's so we can extend the swimming pool to about where the sun lounges are. And then we'll bring that pump house as well with the brown fences and wall. We'll bring that off to the right a bit, so you've got another 2 meters there. We'll make them a little bigger. And again, last picture for you guys. This is the back of the pump house and the outside common toilet. You can see the fire escape going up, and you can see the balcony there. The sliding glass doors at the back of the balcony, they're going into the living room. But on the right hand side, the architect's only put a single door into the master bedroom. Well, we're going to get rid of that. We're doing glass sliding doors again on that wall on the right. So it could be like a L shape of glass doors. One door you'll go through to the living room, and the right hand side you'll go through into the master bedroom. We'll also get rid of those stupid small windows up near the top of the roof. There's about 8 of them there, you can see. The roof's too excessive, it's too high. We don't need all that crap. We can bring the level of the roof down. So that's about it really. I'll show you the ground floor on the plan, so you can see the pool, the pump house, the outside toilet, Mum's bedroom, the stairs going up to the main house, the dirty kitchen. You can see the white bit is the concrete, the bit with the lines is like a decking. That's the ground floor. Again, you've got some basic dimensions on there, but we're going to make that footprint bigger. It's going to be 15 metres from left to right, and 15 metres from top to bottom. So that's about 225 square metres on the ground and 225 square metres on the upside, you know, on the living apartment above. I'll just show you the other one, second floor. So here we go again. You can see there what he's done is put 2 bedrooms in with en-suites. I don't want that. The guest bedroom on the left, that toilet, that's going to have to sort of be rearranged, because I don't want people in the house going through one of the private bedrooms to get to the toilet. The only bedroom up there, the one on the right, the master bedroom, that's the only one that should have en-suite with a walk-in wardrobe. And the guest bedroom on the left, that toilet's got to move. But I've got a plan for that. I've sent it off to the architect, and he's going to sort this drawing out so it reflects that. And then we need obviously a kitchen island in that kitchen on the left hand side, and to lower the windows. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Right, that's it. You're up to date. So nice short video, me rambling on for 10 minutes about where we are with the house. I'm going to sort out a barbecue now and have a jacuzzi, I think, because we're travelling back up to Sunderland tomorrow. And even though it's not really sunny today, I fancy a barbecue and a jacuzzi. So lots of love, peace out, enjoy what's left of the weekend, guys, and we'll catch you either next week or next weekend. Bye for now.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit